Dear kind-hearted friends, we would like to share Lisa's story with you and ask if you would consider helping us keep her on her feet, quite literally. As a child, Lisa suffered a fall and complications arose during her treatment. A bacterial infection that spread through her bloodstream caused septic arthritis, resulting in severe damage and leaving her without a right hip joint and part of her pelvis. But Lisa never gave up. Through her strong faith in God, numerous surgeries, years of treatment, and remarkable perseverance, she defied all odds. She learned to walk again and continually makes a positive difference in the lives of others. Today, however, Lisa lives with a severe limp and constant pain. A recent fall caused further damage to her leg. To preserve the use of her leg and maintain her ability to walk, she urgently needs a series of 3 major reconstructive surgeries, including, amongst others, the design and creation of an entirely new hip joint. Unfortunately, the medical costs are far beyond what Lisa can afford on her own. Therefore, we are trying to raise 650,000 rand to make these life-changing operations possible. We kindly ask you to become part of Lisa's journey. Every contribution, no matter how large or small, and every sharing of her story makes a difference. With love, faith, and hope, Lisa's friends.
Liewe mense met omgee harte, ons wil graag Lisa se storie met julle deel en vra of julle saam met ons sal help om haar op die been te hou, letterlik. As kind het Lisa geval en komplikasies het tydens haar behandeling ingetree. 'n Bakterieële infeksie wat deur haar bloedstroom versprei het septiese artritis veroorsaak, groot skade aangerig in haar sondere regterheupgewrig en bekkenbeen gelaat. Maar Lisa het nooit opgegee nie. Deur haar sterk geloof in God, baie operasies, jare se behandeling en ongelooflike deursettingsvermoë, het sy teen alle verwagtinge weer begin loop. Praat sy sonder ophou en is voortdurend besig om 'n verskil in ander se lewens te maak. Lisa leef egter met ernstige mankheid en konstante pyn. 'n Onlangse val het haar been verder beskadig. Om die gebruik daarvan en haar loopvermoë te behou, moet sy tydens 3 opeenvolgende operasies ingrypende rekonstruktiewe chirurgie ondergaan, waaronder die opbou van 'n volledige heup. Die kostes van die 3 operasies is egter baie meer as wat Lisa self kan bekostig. Daarom probeer ons 650,000 rand insamel om hierdie operasies moontlik te maak. Sal jy asseblief deel word van hierdie reis? Elke finansiële bydrae, groot of klein, elke deel van haar storie maak 'n verskil. Met liefde, geloof en hoop, Lisa se vriende.